Want to see if Boise is the place for you, but you aren't sure where to start? Or are you coming for a visit and you need a little guidance? Then I've got just the thing to help you out. What is it? Let's find out. I'm so excited about today's video, but first, welcome back to my channel. I'm Summer Aston, a realtor in the beautiful Boise, Idaho area with Summer Aston Real Estate Group at Silver Creek Realty Group. And not only do I make videos all about buying and selling homes in Boise, my team and I are ready to help you put your thoughts into action and help you with buying and selling homes here in the Boise area. But what if you haven't been to Boise yet to see it in person? Or what if you are coming for a visit to see if you want to buy a home here and you aren't sure where to start? Well, that's why today's video is one of the most important videos I've made for you. So listen up and take notes. So we get contacted almost every day from you viewers who are either coming for a trip to the Boise area to see if it's the place for you and you're not ready to buy a home yet, or who aren't actually coming for a trip but you were just having a hard time getting a lay of the area without being able to visit. And as much as we would love to be able to give each of you an individual tour, we aren't tour guides and we have to give our time to our active clients. But we can't just leave you hanging when you need guidance. So I finally created the next best thing to a personal tour, an interactive tour map of the Boise area. This interactive tour is designed to help you know where to go and how to plan your time when you come for a visit. But the neat thing about it is that you can take the tour from your own home as well. So before I show it to you and how it works, let me explain it a little bit. So this tour map is designed to be a backbone for your trip because everyone who visits wants to do different things and has a different time frame. The tour loop on our custom map is a loop you could do in one day. Really, you could do it in a few hours if you didn't get out of the car, and it will take you to all the main cities in the valley. But it's super important when you come for your first visit to focus on getting to know the area, visit places that will be part of your life if you move here, visit a local grocery store, walk along the river, or hike to a viewpoint of the city. So I made a downloadable PDF that accompanies the map so that you have ideas of how to get out of the car and enjoy all that the area has to offer. We have even included a few of our favorite restaurants on the PDF in each city. Okay, so there are two important things to remember to make the map work. Number one, this map was created in Google Custom Maps. So while you can download the map, custom maps do not have the ability to give you directions like in regular Google Maps. So you will need to just zoom in and look at where the map is routed. And number two, if you have the Google Maps app on your phone, it is super glitchy with custom maps and it won't work properly. So once you have access to the tour map, you need to copy and paste the link into your browser and look at it from there. And it might prompt you and ask you if you want to open that map in Google Map apps. If it does, click no. Okay, let's finally see the interactive Treasure Valley tour map and how it works. And then I'll show you how the PDF enhances your tour. Okay, so this is what your Treasure Valley tour map will look like. And as you can see, we've got the blue line, which is your general driving tour. And we have these orange cameras and green cameras. So the cameras are links to my videos. And this is really helpful because I know most of you have seen the videos, but when you see them in relation with the map, then you know where those videos were taken and where that area actually is in the valley. So for example, this is the Eagle area, and when you click on that, it opens the video right there. Did you watch last week's video highlighting? You can even watch it right there, and really helps you get an overview of the valley and what the different areas really look like. The green ones are for recreation areas that I've made, like here's a video on Bogus, and here is a video on the lakes in the area. This one up here is just an outlier because I don't have a video of Emmett yet. So this is a lot that I had for sale there. And by watching that video, you can see a little bit of what this area, at least on the north side of Emmett, looks like. But as I said before, when I make new tour videos, I will add them to this map. And as long as you have the link, when you check back, you can see if I've added any new videos. So if you've subscribed to my YouTube channel and you see that I've added a tour video, it will be added to this map. This map is also made with layers. So let's say that you're here in town visiting and you want to focus on just the driving tour. You can go over to this left side here and you can unclick the videos. Those will disappear. You can see that I have this added little layer right here. This is a little side tour of the Northwest Boise foothill neighborhoods. So maybe you're not going to put that in your tour, so you can take that out. I'm going to add both of those layers back in for now, though. And then the other thing that you're going to notice is these addresses here. Okay, do not pay attention too much to those addresses. When I made these different layers, they're just sections. It made it easier for me as I had to draw the map to make them in smaller sections. And so these are not specific directions that you need to follow. Some of them could possibly be somebody's random house or a business, so please do not go there specifically. But it's just a general backbone, as I said. And remember, when you get this, you're going to get the PDF that goes with it. So I always suggest that people start in downtown Boise. Of course, you can start wherever you want. You can make this a 3-day adventure. You could do it in 1 day if you wanted to, depending on how many side trips you add. To use the map on your phone, you'll get the email sent to you with the links to the map and PDF. When it opens on your phone, click the little X up in the corner so it won't open in the map app. Then you can zoom in and zoom around to see where to go. And if you want to see a video, vertically, the video will come up at the bottom, but horizontally, it will come up on the side. And that's it. Okay, how do you get this map? So to get a link to the map, you can go find the link in the description below, or you can go to my website and find the link under the Helpful Links header. You can also just contact us at the website and ask for it if that's easier for you. So when you get the link to the map, you will also get the downloadable PDF that goes with it. And on that PDF, for each area of town, we suggested the main highlights for each area that you may want to incorporate into your tour when you're here. We know that your trip plans will all differ based on your personal preferences, the time of year that you come, and all of that. So that's why these things that we put on the PDF are not incorporated into the main custom Google map. But you can choose what you want to add to your visit. Like maybe there's a particular school you wanted to visit or drive by. So you can add that into your tour. We're hoping you've done your research before you come by watching our area videos. You've watched our market update videos, and so you understand the market here. But a great way to get into specific neighborhoods and see what you can expect is to look up homes on a website that meet your potential criteria, and then map out those addresses when you come for a trip and go drive by them. That way you will get into specific neighborhoods and you can see what to expect for your price point. Oh, and on a side note, if you do visit any new home sales centers and you want us to represent you, make sure you let the sales centers people know if they ask. If you are reaching out to us and you intend to be purchasing a home in Boise, or you have decided you are definitely moving here and you need help with the planning, searching, and knowing how to juggle that buying and selling a home at the same time, let us know when you reach out so we can schedule a phone call and get you going, especially if you are on a short timeline. So this has been a long time coming, and as I said, I will upload new video content to the map as we make more video tours of the areas. And once you have the map link, the new content will automatically update. So you can check that map link from time to time to see what has been added. I hope this helps you all with your trips to visit Boise to see if it's the place you want to call home, or even take yourself on a tour from your own home. And when you know Boise is the place for you to buy your next home, reach out to us at the website at summerastonrealestate.com and we'll get you going on getting here. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.